This is Chelsea making weird noises with her vocal cords. And she can't even breathe. This is what you get. What? Whoa! This is our hotel room. Hotel room.
Yeah, because we're in a hotel.
This is the room we're staying in. Look at the fishes. Those are my clothes. That's all my junk. All of it. This is me. This is me. This is me. This is me. That's Chelsea. Are you done? Okay.
Okay.
Are you done?
No.
Okay.